took you to Soroti Diocese in Uganda, but you did not stay for long due to health reasons. After this difficult start, you haven't looked back. Instead, you have taken on various roles within the society, including recruitment work, formation, and leadership roles. In 1987, you were appointed to work in the Vocations Office in the British region. You committed yourself for more than 4 years, despite the challenges of this work. You equipped yourself through various fields of study, including church history, counseling, spirituality, pastoral theology, and ministry. From the British region, you then crossed the sea to Ireland and were appointed to formation ministry, beginning a line of work that you would commit to for more than 25 years of your ministry. After you finished your term in the Irish region, you were sent to join the team in the basic formation program and first cycle formation in Iloilo, Philippines. The people of Iloilo and Antique loved you because of your friendly attitude and willingness to reach out to them in the parishes, hospitals, slums, and villages. You served the society and its members in the Philippines in various capacities, including formator, rector, and society representative for 2 consecutive terms. Many students admired your commitment and service, both in the formation house and in the seminaries where you taught for several years. In 2016, you were appointed to the Diocese of Miri in Sarawak, Malaysia. After many years in formation work, you opened yourself to parish ministry, where you experienced the unique joy of being close to people and to families. Learning a new language was a challenge for you, but it did not deter you from reaching out and ministering to the people in the longhouses, hospitals, and distant villages. Long before completing your 10-year term in Malaysia, you showed your willingness to go where the need is greatest